So I got this instead of turbos for now. This is just a cherry bomb I welded to a T3 flange. You know, trying to get some more money raised, and I just don't have that time to get the turbos running for LS Fest. So it's looking like I'm going to have to run these for now, but I think this looks badass as it is. So just welded up one. I'm going to go and get the other side working, and then I'll give you guys a video of what it sounds like. So make sure to check out the Patreon. Link is in the bio. And this video is brought to you by Denny's here in Pocatello. They're sort of an icon of Pocatello, and they're really cool for sponsoring me. Deanne over there is a really nice lady. So thank you, Denny's Towing, for sponsoring, and I'll catch you on the next one. Follow the build.